Hello, Tiger Nation. It's Wednesday, December the 5th, and we are Mother Nature is not cooperating once again, and we've had another snow day here. So I hope everybody's out there staying warm and being safe, and just kind of going to give a little update here on our website, just things that are going on here at the high school to keep everybody on the same page. Again, with no school being today, we do not have any after-school activities that were scheduled for today anyway. So rest of this week, pay attention to here or Twitter or WXBC, our Facebook page, or notify me for any cancellations for the rest of this week. But tomorrow at school, we have just a regular school day going on. During our Tiger Time will be our interventions for our social studies and our English. After school tomorrow afternoon, our boys basketball freshman JV teams will be at Fort Knox competing. On Friday, again during the school day, just a normal Tiger Time with interventions for English and social studies. No other things going on in our school day for academic purposes. After school, our boys and girls basketball team will travel to district rival Hancock County for a girl-boy doubleheader. On Saturday, we'll be having the ACT here at the high school. And that's the only thing we have scheduled for next week, or for this weekend. On the for next week action, our boys, freshmen, and JV teams will be hosting Central Hardin on Monday. Our boys and girls will be having a boy-girl doubleheader at Whitesville Trinity on Tuesday. And then our girls and boys JV teams will be hosting Meade County here on Wednesday the 12th. And then the end of next week will be the 14th at Meade County. That'll be a boy-girl doubleheader. Again, that'll be at Meade County on the 14th. We'd like to wish our Fighting Tiger, our Lady Tiger dance team good luck as they'll be going to the KHAA State Tournament that is at Lexington. That is on December the 15th. That's next Saturday. So I'd like to wish them good luck. And to go ahead and put in your calendars for next Sunday, December the 16th, for our Christmas choir concert. That'll be at 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock on December the 16th. And that concludes this Tiger Minute. Everybody have a great day. Again, be safe and stay warm. Everyone work really hard. Have a great day and be a champion.